In the heart of Tokyo, where space is precious and every square meter counts, a 57-square-meter apartment has been transformed into a serene urban retreat. Designed by Kenta Hirayama Architect and Associates, House in Hakusan redefines compact living with thoughtful simplicity. Though small in size, this sunlit corner unit opens up to the vast greenery of a nearby botanical garden, a daily reminder that even in the densest parts of the city, nature can be part of home life. The renovation begins by revealing the soul of the building, a 50-year-old concrete structure stripped of its old finishes. Instead of covering the imperfections, the architects celebrated them, leaving the concrete exposed as a living texture. The rough surface contrasts beautifully with the new, refined materials, creating an atmosphere that feels both raw and elegant. It's a dialogue between the old and the new, where time itself becomes part of the design. To make the most of the compact space, the layout is organized around furniture and sliding doors rather than fixed walls. This open planning strategy allows light and air to flow freely, giving the home a sense of weightlessness. Every area feels connected, from the living space to the private corners, forming a continuous, breathable interior. This approach not only makes the apartment feel larger but also streamlines the construction process, emphasizing clarity over complexity. At the center of it all lies the kitchen, the true heart of this home. For a couple and their small child, the kitchen is where daily life unfolds. Positioned at the core, it offers views of the dining area, desk space, and bedrooms, allowing the family to stay visually connected throughout the day. To avoid dead ends and enhance movement, a secondary path leads directly from the kitchen to the living area, adding circulation and a subtle sense of discovery within the home. Materiality plays a key role in creating warmth amid the coolness of concrete. Cherry wood, known for its smooth grain and gentle tone, serves as the primary interior finish. Its refined texture softens the space while contrasting with the exposed concrete frame. In harmony with the zelkova trees outside the window, zelkova wood is used for the long desk and coffee table, some pieces even crafted from recycled materials, linking the past with the present. A large mirror placed behind the kitchen further expands the space, reflecting light and the lush greenery beyond the windows. It blurs the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing nature to subtly enter the home. House in Hakusan isn't just a renovation, it's an exercise in restraint, balance, and connection. It shows that even in a compact Tokyo apartment, thoughtful design can create a sense of openness, comfort, and harmony with the world outside.